So, good day everyone, and I am Mark Ryan Grampa from BSED English 3A, and my report is getting the sample size using the Slobens formula. Introducing to getting the sample size using Slobens formula. Purpose: Slobens formula helps determine the appropriate sample size for research to ensure findings can be generalized to the larger population. It balances the statistical significance with the practical constraints like time budget, fields of application useful in various fields such as social sciences, health studies, and market research. Components: consider total population size and desired margin of an error for systematic sample election. Benefits: aid in achieving robust result while adhering to ethical standards, preventing oversampling or undersampling. Significance: enhances research quality and the integrity by providing a structured approach to sample size. So, importance of Slobens formula: statistical validity, yung precision and accuracy, resource optimization, ethical consideration, flexibility across disciplines, improve decision making, facilitates comparison. Ito po yung sample size using Slobens formula. N equals to N divide 1 divide to 1 plus number of population and margin of error squared. So N stands for sample size, and the big N is the population size. Then the E is margin of error, usually expressed as the decimal. Example is 0.05 for 5%. So, examples, ito ay isang samples. You want to survey a students at a university with 1,000 students and you want a 5% margin of error. So, ang calculation po ay sample size equals to 1,000 students, yung number of students, and 1 plus 1,000 times 0.05 squared. So, ang naging sagot po ay 285.71 for 286. So, you will need a sample size of approximately of 286 students. Diba ang sabi ay gagawing decimal siya. So, naging 286 siya kasi yung kasunod ng 5 is yung 7, kung saan 5.7, which is magdadagdag ka ng isa. Always round up to the nearest whole number. Yun nga. Yun lang po. And i-explain ko lang kung paano nakuha yung itong margin of error. Kumbaga kung magsusurvey ka, ng isang population, siyempre may isip mo na sa pagsusurvey na yun ay meron kang mistake. Kumbaga ito yung mistake mo, yung 5% of margin of error. Yun lang po. Magandang umaga.